Welcome to the channel. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm Peter Griffin, the owner of Griffin Painting and Home Improvement LLC. Today I'm over in beautiful Newport, Rhode Island at this gorgeous estate. It's oceanfront, and it's on the side of the Newport Country Club. The owner wanted these fences and the driveway gates primed and painted. There's some algae on them, so I'm just hitting them with a little Pool Essentials chlorinated liquid mixed with water. Then here I'm sanding them. I didn't show this part where I scraped them down, but I'm using a 80 grit sandpaper. You could probably go down to 40 even for these, but the 80 did all right. So I just want to clean them up. The owner of the property understands that being by the ocean, this is something that needs to be done about once a year, once every other year, so he's fine with that. When I first did these a few years ago, they were totally crumbling apart, and there's like little decorative circles. They were all like crumbling out, so I took a hammer and knocked a bunch of them out. Some of the circles are still there, some are gone. But anyway, here I'm using Rust-Oleum Rusty Metal Primer. It's easy to find. You can get it at any hardware store. And it's a really great primer. I like using it whenever I'm painting metal. It'll give you a nice base coat to put your top coat over. And I'm using a Worcester, it's a 4-inch roller, 3/8 snap. And I just got a little pan, and I got a throwaway brush. It's a Besco brush, 2.5-inch angle. They're just a junk brush you could toss out after the job. And once it's all primed, we'll come back with another Worcester 4-inch roller. And I'm using Rust-Oleum Protective Enamel Oil-Based Semi-Gloss. It's good paint, holds up pretty decent. And in the past, I've used Sherwin-Williams, makes a good DTM, direct-to-metal paint. And this same customer had flown me out to Silicon Valley to his other property. And I did all the metal railings on the house, the balconies everywhere. And I used the Benjamin Moore DTM. It was a latex, and that stuff looked great when it was done. He's really happy. It's been a few years now, and said everything's holding up really good, so he was really pleased with that job. But down here by the ocean, it's just everything, anything metal corrodes. So it's just a lot of maintenance on these houses around here. And you see the same thing. I just took one of my older brushes that I was kind of getting a little beat, and I'm just using that for the just to get in the tight spots. And then I bought a can of the Rust-Oleum Protective Enamel in a spray can. And that way, if there's any little tight spots that I miss with the roller or the brush, I can come back and touch it up with the spray can. That's why I like using the Rust-Oleum too, because you can get the spray cans of the paint, and it makes it easier to do the touch-ups. There's some little spots that gets a little tight, and you just can't get the brush in there. You can't get the roller in. It's a pro tip from Pete Griffin. Anyway, I'll end up doing 2 coats, so I'm just going to show you here after the first coat what it looks like, and you'll see it's like it really cleans up nice. And that on the left of me, that's the electronics for the driveway gates that I'll be doing those tomorrow. I'll make another video doing the driveway gates. You can see them there. Yeah, cleaned them right up. Like I said, tomorrow I'll come back. I'll hit them with a second coat, and then I'm gonna work on the driveway gates.